Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how can we make a small multiple bar chart. A small multiple bar chart is basically you divide your data in small multiple bar chart you can separate your data in different product types just as you can see here. Let's go and so in this blank canvas we'll put we have cost of product, we have country, dates, product, revenue and sales. So let's begin with step one. So step one is we need to have a bar chart here. So we have a bar chart. We'll take the country and we'll put it into the y-axis, and then we'll take our revenue and we'll put it in the x-axis. So here we have our revenue versus country bar graph. Next step we have to do is we have to make sure that these countries are divided as per different product types. So I will take my product in here and I will put into my small multiples. So this is how my product type looks into the different country versus revenue graphs. So the next thing we need to do is we need to format this. So in order to format this, we need to go to the format your visual section, and then we'll go to small multiples here. We make sure that we add a border line. We can make it a dashed line, solid line, dotted line. I'll make it a dotted line, and I want to make the width a bit more, so I'll make it as thing I want to do is I want to give it a title, and the title has to be on. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my bars has data labels on them. So I'll go back here and I will make sure that the data label feature is turned on and it has good formatting. So I'll make the font as 14. I'll make it a bit bold, and I will choose the color as black because gray is by default in Power BI. Now you can see that this have formatted our data labels, but we still need. So let's format the x-axis first. So this is our x-axis and the values are here. I will make the values as 14 and make it bold, and I will make sure it's black. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that my y-axis is formatted too. So I want to make it as 12. I want to make it as 14. I'll make it bold, and again the same thing I'm going to make sure. So now what we are trying to do is we're trying to replicate this section here. So as you can see, the bar colors are black, so I will make sure that my bar is in black. So how can I change the color of my bars? I can go to format your visual section and I will go to bars, and then here I have black. So I have black section here. The next thing I want to do is I want to format the name of my small multiples, which is furniture, laptop, tablets, OLED TV. So I'll go in small multiples and I will go to title. I will make the alignment as center and I will make it as 14. I'll make it bold. So this is how it looks. One more interesting thing which we can do here is we can give a border to this graph. So I will select my graph and I will go into the small multiple section. Here you can see there's a border icon here, and currently the border is just in between, but we want to give a border all around. So I will go in here and I will make sure I will have all selected, and instead of dotted I want dashed, and I want the width line to be, I'll just keep it at 3. The last thing we want to do is we want to format the title. So in order to format the title, we have to go to our format the visual and to general. Then we'll go to title here and we'll give the title as small multiple bar graph. Multiple graph. And there is a space up here. And then, so once we have given the heading, now we want to make sure is that this heading is in the center. So I will make the heading has to be in the center. So in order to format the heading, we can go up to the title section here and then we'll select a central heading, central alignment. We can also make it a bit bold, plus we can increase the font size. There's a different options. We can select different types of fonts. And here we go. This is our final product or the final visual. This is the small multiple bar graph in Power BI. Thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel.